In an era where luxury automakers seem overwhelmingly obsessed with Nürburgring lap times, carbon fiber trim, and blistering 0 to 60 figures, Lexus has always offered a tranquil sanctuary. For decades, the Lexus ES has been the quintessential comfortable cruiser, prioritizing plush refinement, spaciousness, and quiet reliability above all else. This unwavering commitment to serenity has made the ES the brand's best-selling sedan for years, cultivating a fiercely loyal demographic that knows exactly what they want out of a luxury vehicle. But as the automotive landscape shifts dramatically toward electrification and hyper-digital interfaces, a pressing question remained. How does a conservative luxury icon adapt without losing its soul? The answer arrives in the form of the newly redesigned 8th generation 2026 Lexus ES. Radically updated yet reassuringly familiar in its core mission, the new ES, specifically the ES 350h Hybrid, proves that evolution does not have to mean abandoning your roots. While this new generation makes headlines by introducing a fully electric counterpart for the first time in the model's history, Lexus astutely recognizes that the hybrid variant will remain the undisputed volume seller. In fact, the automaker expects the gas-electric model to account for roughly 80% of ES sales in the United States. A bolder, more imposing stature. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Lexus ES is its sheer physical presence. Built on a longer 116.1-inch wheelbase and boasting a significantly taller profile, the new ES stretches to the larger end of the midsize luxury sedan segment. Lexus engineers embarked on a mission to eliminate the negatives associated with traditional sedans, primarily addressing the notoriously difficult ingress and egress caused by low seating heights. To achieve this improved accessibility, the new ES adopts a taller format akin to the Toyota Crown. However, Lexus masterfully disguises this heightened stature with angular, aggressive styling cues and a swoopy, coupe-like roofline that tapers elegantly toward a shortened trunk lid. While the new proportions might yield a few awkward angles from strictly dead-on perspectives, the overall design language is undeniably successful. It is a bold, modern interpretation of the classic Lexus aesthetic, commanding attention on the road without resorting to ostentation. The hybrid heart, more power, more efficiency. Beneath the hood, the 2026 ES 350h heralds the arrival of Toyota's 6th-generation hybrid powertrain, officially replacing the previous ES 300h configuration. With the classic, non-hybrid V6 engine now retired, the hybrid model confidently steps up to fill the void. The system pairs a refined 2.5-liter gasoline 4-cylinder engine with advanced electric motors, configured to prioritize electric propulsion more heavily than previous iterations. The result is a combined output of 244 horsepower, a noticeable and welcome bump from the outgoing model's 215 horses. This power increase is precisely what prompted Lexus to proudly upgrade the badge to ES 350h. Perhaps the most significant mechanical addition, however, is the availability of all-wheel drive, AWD, for the first time on the hybrid ES. Achieved via an additional electric motor mounted on the rear axle, the AWD system provides enhanced traction and all-weather confidence, remarkably doing so without altering the total horsepower output compared to the front-wheel drive setup. While traditionalists might momentarily mourn the sonorous hum of the old V6, they will quickly be won over by the exceptional refinement of this upgraded gas-electric setup. The combustion engine is meticulously isolated from the cabin, only making its presence known during heavy, sustained acceleration. Otherwise, the transition between gasoline and electric power is virtually imperceptible. The ES 350h accelerates with a dignified gusto, delivering responsive throttle inputs and a seamless surge of power. Efficiency, as expected, is stellar. The EPA rates the front-wheel drive model an impressive 46 miles per gallon combined, with the all-wheel drive variant trailing only slightly at 44 miles per gallon. For a luxury sedan weighing over 4,000 pounds, these figures are nothing short of remarkable. The Boulevardier Supreme. If there is one metric by which a Lexus ES must be judged, it is ride quality, and the 2026 model passes with flying colors. The suspension is unapologetically tuned for softness, fully embracing its identity as a boulevard cruiser. Yet, it avoids the floaty, disconnected sensation of luxury cars passed by maintaining nicely controlled body motions over undulating pavement. Riding on relatively modest 19-inch wheels, the sole option for the hybrid model at launch, the tires boast plenty of sidewall. This setup serves as an additional layer of suspension, expertly soaking up harsh potholes and rough road sections with a satisfying, muted thud. Make no mistake, this is not a vehicle designed for aggressive canyon carving. The eco-conscious tires prioritize low rolling resistance and fuel economy over lateral grip, but the steering wheel feels substantial in the hands, offering a natural effort buildup and a satisfactory on-center feel. It is a car designed to lower your heart rate the moment you pull out of the driveway. A modern, restrained cabin. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that walks a brilliant tightrope between modern digital minimalism and practical ergonomics. In an industry seemingly determined to banish all physical buttons to the depths of submenus on a touchscreen, Lexus exercises commendable restraint. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive, high-definition 14.0-inch touchscreen interface. While many climate functions have been migrated to the lower quadrant of this display, Lexus wisely retained crucial tactile buttons for temperature adjustment and defrosters, alongside a dedicated physical volume knob. The steering wheel controls, though they may look like finicky touch-capacitive pads at a glance, offer reassuring tactile feedback. Secondary functions, such as window switches, mirror adjustments, and seat controls, remain refreshingly conventional and intuitive. The material finishes, from the soft-touch dashboard plastics to the supple upholstery, are impeccable, upholding the legendary build quality that Lexus buyers demand. It should be noted that the hybrid model is currently offered in Premium and Premium Plus trims, meaning it forgoes some of the ultra-high-end accoutrements reserved for the fully electric ES top-tier luxury trim. The price of serenity. The evolution of the ES does come with a price adjustment. The 2026 Lexus ES 350h starts at $51,095, which represents a $6,380 premium over the outgoing ES 300h. However, this price hike is easily justified by the tangible increase in physical size, the elevated horsepower, the vastly updated technology suite, and the sheer volume of car you are receiving. When positioned against German stalwarts like the BMW 5 Series or the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the ES 350h remains a staggering value proposition.